How you doing, YouTube? It's Reso's Mobile Automotive Repairs. Got a 2017 Ford Fusion SE 2.0 liter engine. I'll be showing you how to take care of brake and rotor job today. Tools you're gonna need to take care of this job. You're gonna need a 19 millimeter socket for the lugs, 18 millimeter socket, 7 millimeter Allen key, flathead screwdriver. And you're gonna also need a C-clamp. Get that C-clamp out of there. Okay, first things first, you want to get the car jacked up, secure it on jack stands. Second thing, you want to come over here. We got this little retaining clip here that you want to take off, and then you have two 7 millimeter bolts with 7 millimeter Allen heads on them. So you have one here, one here. I'm gonna take those off and get right back to you. Okay, when we back, you can see now I have the caliper off. Those two bolts I was telling you about with the 7 millimeter Allen head fittings in them. You're gonna sit that right up there. And you're gonna take an 18 millimeter 1/2 inch preferred on these because they can be kind of tight. If you don't have impact tools, you can get it done by hand with a breaker bar, maybe a cheater pipe. 1 second. Taking those two 18 millimeter bolts out gives you access to pull this bracket off, which allows you to pull this rotor off here. Sometimes they can be stuck. Might need two hands here. Give me a second. Get that rotor off. I want to do a little inspection, make sure the hub doesn't have any play in it. We go ahead and install those new parts. Get over here to the parts brought to you by good old O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Located here in Chicago, Illinois, and probably every other 50 states we're located in. Oh, installation is reversal of taking it off, and the other side's the driver's side will be the same as the passenger side. See you guys on the next one.